Hello students. So in this video, we're going to start with statement problems on linear equations. There are different types of statement problems. So I've differentiated it. So in this video, we're going to see only problems based on age. Okay. In the next video, we'll be looking into problems based on fractions, then problems based on two-digit number, problems based on cost, problems based on speed, all this stuff. Okay. Excuse me. So in this video, we're going to learn how to solve problems based on age. The main task is to get the equation. Once we get the equation, we can solve it very easily by any of the known method, that is substitution or elimination or cross multiplication or any of the method. See, in all the problems based on age, we are going to create a table something like this. So if you observe the first question, 5 years ends, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. And 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? So in this problem, we have to find their present ages. Now, how do you make the table? See, who are the two persons involved in the question? Jacob and his son. So Jacob and his son, the past, present, and future. 3 different scenarios. Now we have to find their present ages. Let me assume that the present age of Jacob is X and the present age of his son is Y. This is the first step. Let's take the present age of Jacob as X and the present age of his son as Y. Now, how many years in the past are they talking and how many years in the future are they talking? That is what we have to get it from the equation. If you, from the question, if you observe the question says 5 years hence, meaning 5 years in the future from the present. After 5 years, Jacob's age will be 3 times that of his son. So if you observe now, Jacob's age is X. In the future, after 5 years, his age will be what? X plus 5, isn't it? Suppose your age is 15. After 5 years, it will be 20. So what did we do? We just added 5 to it. The same logic. So now Jacob's age is X. After 5 years, his age will become X plus Y. His son age is Y. After 5 years, it will become Y plus 5. Similarly, what is the past? 5 years ago. So his present age is X. 5 years ago, his age will be X minus 5. Suppose your age is 15. 5 years ago, what was it? 10. How did you get it? Subtract minus 5, isn't it? So same logic, X minus 5, and here it will become Y minus 5. So if you create this table, it will be very easy to form the equation. Now let's form the equation. Let's form the equation. Look at the question. 5 years hence. 5 years and the hence in the sense we are talking about the future. So when we are talking about the future, we are going to use the values that are in the future. That is, we are going to use only these two values, X plus 5 and Y plus 5. We are not going to use anything else. Okay. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob. What is the age of Jacob in the future? It is X plus 5. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times, that is 3 into age of his son. What is the age of his son in the future? Y plus 5. So therefore, you get an equation here. X plus 5 as it is, 3 into Y, 3Y, 3 plus 5 is 15. So therefore, X, get the Y to the other side, plus 3Y to the other side, it will become minus 3Y equals 15, plus 5 to the right hand side, it will become minus 5. So therefore, you get X minus 3Y is equal to 15 minus 5 is 10. So which is our first equation. Similarly, let's get our second equation. Let's try to get our second equation. 5 years ago, the age of Jacob 5 years ago is X minus 5. His age will be 7 times, that is 7 into age of his son. What is age of his son in the past? Y minus 5. So if you simplified, X minus 5 is equal to 7 into Y is 7Y minus 7 into 5 is 35. Same logic, get 7Y to the other side. So it will become X minus 7Y equals minus 35, minus 5 to the right hand side will become plus 5. So therefore, you get X minus 7Y is equal to minus 30. This will be your equation 2. So if you solve your equation 1 and 2 by elimination method, so let's do that. X minus 3Y is equal to 10. X minus 7Y is equal to minus 30. So if you observe, both are plus X. So we have to change the sign. Minus will become plus. Again, minus will become plus. Plus X and minus X gets cancelled. Sorry. Minus 3Y plus 7Y will become plus 4y plus 10 plus 30 will become plus 40. Therefore, y is equal to 40 by 4, which implies y is 10. The age of age of Jacob's son is 10. The present age is 10. Now you can substitute the value of y in any one of the equation and you can find the value of x. So let me take the first equation. What is the first equation? X minus 3y is equal to 10. So x minus 3, y value is 10, equal to 10. So x minus 30 equal to 10. Transpose 30 to other side. So it will become 10 plus 30. So 10 plus 30 is 40. You got the value of x as 40. So as you can see, the age of Jacob's present age is 40 years and his son's present age is 10 years. Okay. So this is how you solve the problems based on age. It's very simple. Make a table. Who are the two persons involved? Jacob and his son, and the three things, past, present, and future. We always start with the present. The present age, we assume it as x and y. And based on the given data, we calculate the past and the future age, and we get the equation. Similarly, let's solve the next problem. If you observe the next problem, 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? Now, who are the two persons involved here? Very clearly, it is Nuri and Sonu. These are the two persons involved. What is the past that we are talking about? How many years back? 5 years back. And how many years in the future? 10 years in the future. Therefore, let's make the table. As you can see, I've made the table here. So the two persons are Nuri and Sonu. Let's take the present age as x and y. The past is 5 years ago. So the present age is x in the sense past will become x minus 5 and y minus 5. The future is 10 years later. So the present age is x. After 10 years, it will become x plus 10 and Sonu's age will become y plus 10. Now, based on the question, we'll form the equations. So let's redo this. What is the question given? 5 years ago, Nuri was, 5 years ago, what was Nuri's age? X minus 5. That was thrice as old as Sonu. In the sense, 3 times Sonu's age. 3 into y minus 5. Simplify this. X minus 5 equal to 3 into y, 3y. 3 into minus 5 is minus 15. So get 3y to the other side. X minus 3y equal to minus 15 plus 5. Therefore, we get x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. This is our equation 1. Similarly, let's get our equation 2. 10 years later, Nuri will be, what is 10 years later Nuri's age? X plus 10. That will be twice as old as Sonu. In the sense, 2 times Sonu's age. That is y plus 10. So let's solve this. X plus 10 is equal to 2 into y, 2y. 2 into 10 is 20. Get the 2y to the other side and 10 to the RHS. So x minus 2y is equal to 20 minus 10. So x minus 2y is equal to 20 minus 10 is 10. Equation 2. So let's solve this equation 1 and 2 by elimination method. X minus 3y is equal to minus 10. X minus 2y is equal to plus 10. So as you can see, both are positive 1. So we have to change the sign. So let's change the sign. Plus 1x minus 1x gets cancelled. Minus 3y plus 2y will become minus 1y equal to minus 20, which implies y is equal to minus 20 by minus 1. Minus 20 by minus 1, minus minus gets cancelled. Minus 20 by minus 1, minus minus gets cancelled. So 20 by 1 is 20. So therefore, y is 20. So take the first equation, x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. X minus 3, y is 20 equal to minus 10. So x minus 60 is equal to minus 10. Transpose 60 to the other side. Minus 10 plus 60, that will become 50. So Nuri's age is 50. Remember, these are problems based on age. Therefore, the x value and y value that you are getting should be a positive one. It cannot be a negative one. Okay, if you're getting the value of x and y as negative, it means somewhere we have gone wrong and we have to correct it. Okay, so here x value is positive 50 and y value is 20. That is Nuri's age is 50 years, present age is 50 years, and Sonu's present age is 20 years. I hope you have understood the problems based on age, how to get the equations. So in the next video, we'll solve problems based on fractions. Thank you, students.